Changzhou Double Spring Machinery Company Limited, established in 2016, located in Changzhou City with convenient transportation access to Shanghai City for about 1 hour speedy train. We also have Cooperation Factory, which is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sales of gas spring. Annual production capacity has come to $6 million. OEM, ODM orders are warmly welcomed, and manufacturing new models with customers' logo are enthusiastically accepted as well. Our company is dedicated to provide customers with thoughtful service, quality, low price, and on-time delivery. For certificates, we have obtained MSDS, SGS, and ROS reports. Our products are sold well all over the world. We have served clients and constantly exported to Europe, America, Australia, Asia, Southeast Asia, like Italy, UK, France, Germany, America, Australia, Brazil, and Korea. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Our experienced sales staff and engineers are always available to discuss and ensure full customer satisfaction at any time. We also welcome you to visit our factory at any time. Looking forward to establishing long-term, reliable, and mutual business partnership with you.